Second quarter profit after tax is 2,410 crores. That is what we are getting. So this is slightly below what was expected. But as I said earlier, I think as I said about a minute back, the number to watch out for is the revenue number. And I think that's basically is the one which is going to influence the stock one way or the other. Yes, the profit number is important, and we will spend time on that in terms of what happened. Is it a margin miss or whatever? So it's a good 200 crores below expectations. But I think let's see what they do for the revenue. The revenue is seen at about 12,800 crores. That was what our expectation was here at NDTV Profit, our poll. So let's see if they're able to cross that, and of course, let's see what they're able to do as far as the as far as the overall number for the full year is concerned. So I wouldn't panic as yet. Okay, second quarter revenue at 12,965 crores. That's a beat. That's the number you should focus on. It's a beat of almost 200 crores. So profits are low by expectation by 200 crores. Top line is beaten expectations by 200 crores. So that's basically what you've got. I mean, just first cut, I wouldn't panic. I think without passing a sweeping, 9 to 10% dollar revenue growth guidance. So we should say Infosys Q2 guidance revision, because they've increased their guidance from 6 to 10% to 9 to 10%. I would say these numbers aren't bad. I think the numbers are pretty okay, and I think you will see the stock actually open up as you start getting prices in a bit in about 11 minutes or so. So this is the number from Infosys. As if you're joining us right now, the profit after tax number for the second quarter has missed expectations by 200 crores. I think there might be a margin disappointment there. The second quarter top line has beaten expectations by about 200 crores. So we were expecting 12,800 crores. I think they've done 200 crores more.